In Nyeri, he was rejected by Jubilee Party over fake papers in April, but IEBC had cleared him last month. Let's take a look at a report by Carol Derry from Nyeri.
We are at Breadgate Industries in Nyeri County, where Nyeri Gubernatorial aspirant though Mathenge is based, and of course following the announcement by IEBC, or rather suggestion to scrap or strike off his name from the list of gubernatorial aspirants in Nyeri County. Though Mathenge says that he deems this move as being unfair. He is a man who says that he has been followed by a number of tribulations. Remember that he tried to vie for governor in 2013 in Nyeri County, and this is his second attempt, and saying that his enemies, or rather political opponents, are trying to bring him down.
Because I had presented my documents to IEBC, my degree certificate academic, certificate of good conduct, and a clearance from Commissioner of University Education. I was cleared. I was given a nomination certificate by IEBC. I have been campaigning on the ground, and I have all my supporters who want to see Duo Mathenge on the ballot.
You say you are moved to court, sir?
We went to court. The reason why we went to court is that the IEBC county returning officer called us and told us that he has instructions to cancel our certificate of nomination. We went to court on 16th of June, and we were given a stay order by the High Court, Milimani, and the case was applied as urgent, and the case final judgment or the ruling will be on the 13th of this month. The court order was served to the IEBC, the legal department, and they later called my lawyer again, Kiyoko Kirukumi, for the same order.
Well, we wrap it up on that note. Many thanks for joining us here on KTN News Desk. Up next is Business Today, but I'll be seeing you once again at 3 p.m. on Worldview as we track the campaign trails, as well as take a look at what else is making headlines on the international